Chafo, Intino, Marsha Shabanaman what's the Floria Residence? This is the beautiful residence, or new, so beautiful. And this is the design of the main building. Honoring you, room so no if se epede etobi na etona it is allowed. Ibotum ato na Airbnb. It is allowed. Ibotum also ato na atinem. It is also allowed. It's so affordable. Ibetimechi ma church on zamanuma to unyo bechi. Shahao. That is what we have in the main building. This is so beautiful. Ebusia nye baby akwa no dabi. You need to change. Change your environment kakra. Change your residence kakra. You know, the money is there. Come and buy and rent. Use it as an Airbnb for somebody and get your profit. Yes, Floria Residence. Only there's a reception area. This whole place is a reception area. They said it's now open there. They attend to you so beautiful and talk to you and ask you, Moinepe, do you want an Airbnb? Do you want to buy or do you want to rent? But I'm a day, Chemuska and Chemoto for renting. If you want to spend some holidays, you can come and spend some holidays here. The management show. Just follow me. Let me take you around. But guess what? We have double room, single room, and studio apartments. And in Yajidanepe, it is 20% discount. Any room that you want is 20% discount. This is Floria Residence inside Accra, here in Laboni. Don't forget, the place is so beautiful. Hey, I know why the airport too. Why the airport in T? And you remember why the airport opening? No. Yes. So I'm going to take you up there, and as we go, follow me. All right. Nasha hey ya, aja. Ne wodampa. Majija dem you are a single room. Enya nte gwande nyi metena ha. Na sebebe ma anunum kakra so metwetwe kakra so ma show kakra so za from ma. Eno na ha. Na botala elepo tobara. Menka cho bebe me meziban. Why I can do my cooking my church ways. Enya ha no na metena edidi. Aha na my cooking. More women zam kakra so ha. Ena ha na my toasting kakra so. More women zam so more ro ha. Aha no so wala oven, my oven, yes. Ena ha no so me heat mezibana. Eba ha de ya he. Ante nya ya provisions keke. We have everything for you to feel comfortable at home. Friend you no susunyi. Boko. Aja, me catch your bedroom. All the camera wade. I have a visitor's washroom. In your hall na sopodo ha. This is the visitor's washroom. Oba ye no ye. Me catch your bedroom nankasa. Aha ne yenza glow. Our laboni or a newly one catch your bed. New Airbnb be better on easy or fresh. We belong to one no. And pano see a virgin. TV ni a virgin. E wanna see a virgin or a new one. Sister, brother. Menza go. Honey muhombra. I no girlfriend. We do do. And paninyi. On your rubber zinibi. That be your correct one. On your rubber zinibi. And pano papa. Into nya dada. On sinkum kwase that we use Christos in him. I no so feel comfortable. Then met Martin, my imagine what in the Missy in your metro 7. Try day. And you like to so much come out. Just a one zama. Fe. Ajay, I had a bogwari. Atasa, into your seguaya, was not to way. Not now, shy away. And now wash one, sir. Make a show view the kakra. Or they will view. Make sure of you who view. Oh, you what? I can't imagine. Labon imagine. Look at the view. I had able to my batsina. To choke a cracker crown, the big as I only 2, 4, 3 bino. And 1 8 do be now so girl Nimuna the original back on Olution Chrome. Nearly me, yes, baby. I'll buy this for you. I have no newly built. Shokronim. Enya, a house so ye 2 bedroom. Enya, ebusia. It's one yo, na jija dem. Menza go cry. I had 2 bedrooms. Enya, what dining yo. I'm a teddy. Chuanim kakra. The same thing, Messma 1 that's also the same thing at 2 so say. Enya, we cooking, we washing, we work and then zebe bia wa hadofo. Oh, it's so beautiful. Na ha na wa. Bathroom no ye basa. Bathroom right 3. Guest ni zinyi. Shim. This for guest. Ahade no so ye room 1. The bathroom on the inside into waha. Boko. Mature room 1. So beautiful. Now I try to focus in there. All your doors in there. Room bia or balcony. Te tumu pay. Ewa. Na ashe abuano. But let me take you to the master room. This is the beautiful master room. Ebushia. Share. In the bathroom sunyi. Master bedroom no. The bathroom here. It has everything here. It's fair. Zowo hebia, you're beautiful. Zowo hebia. I had no so therefore. But show one zama. This is so beautiful. Come here. Trust me, you enjoy this place. Enya therefore ahano yeah. Studio apartment. Fair phone ne hu ne damo no. Ahade no. Yes, all in one. It's na ha. Adaha. It's na ha didi boko. Na our houses I wait ban boko. Enya. Shasha wanzama waha. Awanzama waha. Oven. O microwave. O fridge so boko. Shaha boko hadamara. Oninyi. There's your fridge. Aso nasi. And our bathroom. Our bathroom sunyi. It's a studio apartment. Or you're all in one. In your baby Floria Residence. Mr. Haden or your new one, yes, see for fur. Or to one, or be a virgin. Just pick the number and be the number 1 person to book here. Whenever daha, birthday, engagement, wedding, you want a place to dress. You can come here, and use this apartment for yourself. And guess what? You can also buy this place and sell it out to people. Just rent to people. Trust me, you will love this place. And it's affordable too. Not expensive. Floria Residence, the number 1 leading now in Ghana.